Hello everyone and welcome to Meducate, where the reality of NEET Super Specialty counseling is decoded, simplified, and delivered straight to you. Thousands of doctors clear NEET SS every year, but many of them still fail to get a seat. Not because of rank, not because of marks, but because of one small counseling mistake. NEET SS counseling is not about hard work anymore. It is about precision and correct decisions. One wrong step, one misunderstanding of rules, and your seat can be lost permanently. Part 1. Who conducts NEET SS counseling? NEET SS counseling is conducted by MCC, the Medical Counseling Committee. It is conducted completely online through the MCC website. This counseling includes DM seats, MCH seats, and DNB Super Specialty seats. But many candidates make a very big mistake. They assume that institutes like AIMS, PGI Chandigarh, and JIPMER are included in this counseling. They are not included. Now, before we continue, if you want to understand NEET SS counseling properly, you should download the NEET SS counseling ebook, because guessing counseling trends can cost you your seat. Inside the ebook, you will find extremely important data. Branch-wise closing ranks for 2024 and 2023, so you understand the real closing trends, not assumptions, not WhatsApp rumors, but actual counseling data. You will also get the complete fee structure: government institutes, DNB institutes, private colleges, deemed universities. Everything explained clearly, so you know exactly what you will pay. The ebook also includes verified stipend details, so you know how much stipend you will actually receive. You will also see bond duration and penalty rules. Many candidates discover bonds only after joining. By then, it is already too late. And most importantly, the ebook covers all institutes: government, DNB, private, deemed, everything included. If you want this ebook, click the download link in the description. Many candidates believe something dangerous. They think, if I clear the cutoff, I will definitely get a seat. But that is not true. Seat allotment depends on your rank, your choice filling order, seat availability, and eligibility rules. So a wrong strategy can block better seats permanently. Part 3. Counseling rounds. NEET SS counseling has 3 rounds: Round 1, Round 2, and the stray round. Each round has different rules, and misunderstanding them can be very costly. Part 4. Choice filling. Choice filling is the most important step. You must fill choices in the exact order of preference, because the system will allot the first available option. Once choices are locked, they cannot be changed. If you forget to lock choices, the system will auto-lock your last saved choices. One wrong order can give you the wrong seat. And this is exactly why counseling data is critical, because without real data, most candidates fill choices blindly. They rely on guesses or random advice, and that is how seats are lost. The NEET SS counseling ebook helps you avoid that mistake. Inside the ebook, you will get branch-wise closing ranks, complete fee structures, verified stipend information, bond duration and penalty rules, everything in one place. If you want to make smart counseling decisions, download the ebook. The link is in the description below. Part 5. Round 1. Counseling. If you get a seat in Round 1, you have only 2 options. Option 1. Join the seat, submit documents, and give willingness for Round 2 upgradation. Option 2. Do not join. But then your 2 lakh rupees security deposit is forfeited. Part 6. Round 2. Counseling. Round 2 is the upgradation round. If your seat is upgraded, your round 1 seat is cancelled. You must join the new seat. If you do not join, you lose the seat. You lose the 2 lakh security deposit and you are out of counselling. Part 7. Documents required. During reporting, you must bring original documents. NEET SS admit card, rank letter, MBBS certificate, MD, MS or DNB certificate, registration certificates, identity proof. Without originals, admission will not be granted. Part 8. Stray round. The stray round is the final chance. Only candidates without a seat can participate. Seats are usually very limited, mostly leftover seats. Once allotted, you must join. There is no further upgradation. If you want to avoid counseling mistakes, you need accurate information, not guesses, not rumors. That is why the NEET SS Counseling ebook was created. Inside the ebook, you will get branch-wise closing ranks, complete fee structures, verified stipend details, bond and penalty rules, and data for all institutes. If you want the ebook, click the download link in the description. NEET SS Counseling is not just about rank. It is about strategy, it is about information, and it is about making the right decisions. Plan carefully, choose wisely, and avoid costly mistakes. NEET SS Counseling is not just about rank. It is about strategy, it is about information, and it is about making the right decisions. Plan carefully, choose wisely, and avoid costly mistakes.